Chicharron, I'm really too nice. And I don't got no reason to be eating somebody else's belly when I got a big belly. Fuego, fire. So first put the chicharron in the pot. We're going to add some black peppercorns, some kosher salt. Then we're going to slide in with some smoked paprika, followed by some garlic and onion powder. Throw some real garlic in there. Then we're going to hit it with some bay leaves, some water, throw an onion in there. Then we're going to let that boil. Now make your guac. Now you want to fry the chicharron once. Then we're going to take it out. And if it don't be crispy like this, you tripping. And I don't be having no malice when I'm pushing bevs. You know, I got a bev stop playing me for real.